We're here at the Myriad Gardens in downtown Oklahoma City, and joining me today is the Director of Horticulture, Nate Shane. Nate, we're in a fairly new garden for the Myriad Gardens. Can you tell us a little bit about this space?
Yeah, this is a new garden that we put in thanks to the Oklahoma City Community Foundation. The original intent of the garden was to have a space to show off dry shade plants. So a lot of the plants in here are tolerant of drought and shade conditions, which is kind of unusual in plants.
Yeah, we've got some toad lily and hostas and hydrangeas, it looks like.
Barrenwort, which is a good drought shade plant. The Asian ginger is very difficult to kill, very tolerant of dry and shade conditions. It can almost be a problem, but it's done well here and it's behaved.
So how are you, is there no irrigation, or how are you handling the irrigation in this situation?
We do have irrigation, and we have pop-up sprays around the outside, which is sort of the normal kind of irrigation that we have throughout the gardens. But in this middle bed here, this island bed, we put in a special micro spray irrigation system to kind of demonstrate to homeowners how they could put in their own easy to install irrigation system. It's actually set up so that we put in a normal garden faucet over there, and it's attached just like somebody could attach irrigation to their home faucet.
Yeah, I know a lot of homeowners have this situation of wanting to plant under a tree and how to handle that. Obviously the tree roots suck up a lot of moisture, and so it looks like your plants are doing well under these roots.
Yeah, a couple of years it's been in here, everything's growing well. The biggest problem that we've had is just rabbits eating stuff, which is a little hard to control, but surviving.
It is what it is. Yeah. There's always something. But so on the irrigation you put in here, it's not the major irrigation system that manages the Myriad Gardens. You've got a home situation. So do you use that for teaching demonstrations?
Yeah, we definitely have classes that we come out here, and the irrigation timers on here is a battery-powered irrigation timer that you can go to a box store or any irrigation store and purchase and hook up to your faucet. So it's set to automatically run in the morning, but during a class we'll turn it on and let people see all the different kind of elements that we have out here and turn it on several times. We do classes and workshops throughout the year about irrigation. The last class we had people out here, and we had them all the different parts that they can use in the irrigation system. They got to put them together and try it out and build their own little irrigation system there. So.
And I would imagine your website would be the best place to find out for future classes?
Yep, all our classes are on our website.
Okay, and I even love that you have signage here, so there's some interpretation as you're walking through here in case you miss one of the classes. You've got all the parts laid out on the signage.
Yeah, I think this is a well-developed sign that shows all the different parts that you need to put in your own system.
And I think it's important for people to know that there are battery controllers, because a lot of times we think with water you also have to have electricity. But
yeah, the real complicated in-ground systems with the PVC pipe, there are other ways to do it that work really well, particularly if you're doing pots or just have a row of shrubs or a small vegetable garden.
All right, so this is a great demonstration garden for homeowners to get ideas not only on irrigation but also plant material for their shade garden.
Yep.
Thank you, Nate.
Welcome.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.